analytics is really about this transformation from the world of 15 years ago, where we had transactional data and very structured ways of querying it, to a new world of transactions, customer interactions, and machine data, and the new classes of questions, these massive data volumes, and the need to fuse these together in ways that business users can really own and drive to answer really meaningful questions.
It's an interesting time in the industry. We've gone from people worrying about putting lots of data into a lake and actually thinking about, what do I do with this data now? How do I drive some change in my business? How do I answer questions I couldn't answer before? So today, when I look at what's happening with all the vendors that are behind us or some of the presentations I've been to, it's how do I get value out of this data that I've collected, as opposed to let me just collect it.
I think right now the question more is, who isn't talking about big data analytics?
It's crazy, and it's really, really fun to see again. Just when we thought it was getting really boring with processes and outsourcing, I'm here to soak up the future.
As you're building those bridges to gain insight into data, how do you figure out a solution that is very flexible and extensible? You don't want to have to reinvent the wheel every time you want to find out something new about your data. What I'm really enjoying seeing is the ease of use of the tools that are being shown throughout the conference, and sort of helping people break down those barriers, so you don't have to be a Hadoop hacker, you don't have to be knowing these specialized languages to help you get insight faster.
Big data analytics can solve a wide range of problems that were really impossible or nearly impossible to solve in the old way. In this new world, we are able to land massive amounts of data and drive iterative self-service ability for business users to visualize, find patterns, and connect the dots so they really can understand the patterns of behavior, not just how many things happen, but why they happen.
I think venture capital's been looking at this space for a long time, and I think we're starting to say the investment for the base layers of Hadoop has probably been done enough, and now we're trying to focus more on the upper layers of the stack.
Big data is now out of the hands of just the select few and into the hands of business users worldwide.
Today you're dealing with just an explosion of data, and you have to use different techniques, and you need to use these new analytical tools to really find those gems and those data points that make clients much more effective.
It's just really exciting to see the ecosystem building out with more user-friendly ways to analyze your data.